This short got millions of views in record time, and the crazy part, it took less than 5 or 6 minutes to make. Almost nobody is using this method right now, but after this video, you will. I'm going to show you exactly how to go viral, step by step. I'll show you how to make this video fast, upload it to YouTube, and start getting real results. Let's go!
The first step in creating ranking videos is collecting all the clips you want to use in your project. You can find these clips online or use footage from your own collection, but try to choose clips that are high quality, visually engaging, and relevant to the topic of your ranking. Now it's time to add the ranking numbers and titles for each clip. Arrange everything in the correct order, customize the colors to match your video style, and create clear, eye-catching titles. A good design makes the ranking easier to follow and keeps viewers engaged throughout the video. Once you have gathered all the footage, don't just place everything randomly on the timeline. Instead, organize the clips according to the ranking order you want your audience to see. For example, if you're making a top 7 funniest animals video, decide which animal will be placed in the 7th position and which one deserves the number 1 spot. Once the layout is complete, add transitions between clips to make the video flow smoothly. Then choose background music and sound effects that fit the mood of your ranking and make each reveal more exciting. After making the final adjustments, export your video with the best quality settings and it's ready to upload. Now it's time to upload the video to YouTube. Create a catchy title, write a simple description, and add relevant keywords. You can even use AI to speed up this process. To maximize your chances of going viral, choose interesting topics, use eye-catching thumbnails, and keep viewers curious until the end. Everything is ready. Let's watch the final result. That's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this, feel free to support the channel.